Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you this lovely salmon dish I had when I went to Turkey. Okay, so we've got our tomatoes, garlic and chili, mushrooms and onions, and we've got our salmon here. So we're going to start by just taking off the skin of the salmon. So if you just take your knife like that and then just put it to this. Okay, so our salmon is all, the skin has been taken off. Okay, so now we're just going to slice the salmon. I'm going to be doing it this way. Just give it 5 minutes to cook. Okay, so our salmon is cooked. And now to taste. That tastes beautiful.